The truth about ordering a car from the manufacturer. So you're thinking about ordering your next car straight from the manufacturer instead of buying one off the lot, is that right? Maybe you've got your eye on a specific trim, color, or package that dealers never seem to stock on their lots. Or maybe you're just tired of being strong-armed into buying a car with extra dealer-added features that you just don't want. But here's the million-dollar question. When you order a car, are you doing the dealer a favor, or is the dealer doing you a favor? Stick with me because today we're going to peel back the curtain on special orders, dealer tricks, and what really happens behind the scenes when you order a car. And you might just be surprised to learn who's holding the power card here. Spoiler alert, it's not the dealer. The amazing Elizabeth joins me now.
So here's number one. Why do buyers consider ordering a car? Well, first off is customization. Buyers can order cars to get the exact trim, options, and colors they want. Dealership lots often carry what sells the fastest, but not exactly what you personally desire. You can also avoid unwanted add-ons. Dealers stock cars loaded with expensive packages and accessories, but ordering gives you more control, at least in theory. Sometimes there's market scarcity. During shortages, some buyers think ordering guarantees them a vehicle without having to fight the showroom circus.
Sounds great, right? But let me tell you, ordering isn't as simple as dealers make it sound, and you need to know the traps before you walk in. Here's number two, the myth of the dealer favor. Dealers often act like ordering a car is an inconvenience to them. They'll say things like, we have to do all of this paperwork, or it might take months. We're really going out on the limb here for you.
That's funny, but here's the truth. You're the one doing the dealer a favor, and don't ever forget it. The biggest reason why is floor plan financing. Dealers finance their inventory using what's called floor plan loans. Each car on the lot racks up interest the longer it sits. When you order a car that's pre-sold, the dealer doesn't have to tie up that financing. That's a zero risk, zero cost deal for them. The second thing you should know is it's a guaranteed sale. They don't need to move the metal later. Your car is already spoken for. And third, for the dealer, are allocation benefits. Manufacturers give future inventory allocations based on sales. When a dealer sells an ordered unit, it still counts as a sale toward their monthly and quarterly targets. Translation, your order helps them secure more of the high-demand vehicles that they actually want to sell for big profits.
So the next time a dealer tells you they're doing you a huge favor by ordering a car, you can smile and say, actually, you should be thanking me. I just handed you a no-risk sale and boosted your allocation numbers. You're welcome. Okay, let's talk about number three, the traps in ordering a car. This is where buyers get burned if they don't know better. Let's walk through the most common traps. Trap number one, the order fee. Some dealers try to tack on a special order fee. This, my friends, is pure nonsense. Manufacturers don't charge the dealer to place your order. If they slap on a $500 or $1,000 order processing fee, you're being played.
That's right. Trap number two, the estimated price game. When you order, the dealer often won't commit to a firm out-the-door price. They'll say, we'll give you the MSRP when it comes in. Or worse, we'll see what the market calls for when it arrives. That means you could wait 6 months and find yourself paying thousands over MSRP or facing dealer add-ons that you never agreed to.
A homework guide tip here. Get a signed buyer's order with an out-the-door price at the time you order the car. If they won't do it, walk away, or if you call them, hang up. Trap number three, mandatory add-ons when the car arrives. Some dealers will say, every vehicle that comes in gets window etching, nitrogen tires, and paint protection. It's non-negotiable. That's code for saying, we're going to squeeze you even if you order it, plain and simple.
Trap number four, the trade-in value bait and switch. If you're trading a car, the dealer may give you a rosy estimate at order time, but when your new car finally arrives months later, they'll say your trade-in isn't worth nearly as much. You get stuck either taking less or walking away from the order.
Trap number five, financing shell game. Dealers love to hold back the details on financing terms until the car shows up. You might think you're getting 5.9% APR, only to be told months later that it's 8.9% because programs have changed. Meanwhile, the dealer pockets the rate spread. Remember, dealers will always use time against you if they can. They know once you've waited months for a car, you'll feel trapped into signing almost anything, and sadly, many of you do exactly that.
So our fourth point here, why dealers push back on orders. If ordering is so easy, why do dealers act like they are so reluctant? Well, first, they can't load it with add-ons. A factory order usually means the buyer is more educated, not willing to pay for dealer fluff like wheel locks or $2,000 paint protection packages. And second, the profit margin is tighter. Dealers make more money pushing what's already on the lot. Those units often have manufacturer incentives, dealer-installed extras, and higher markups. Number 3, they lose control of the emotional sale. Dealers thrive on putting you in a shiny car today. Ordering breaks that urgency and emotional leverage.
Exactly. Ordering a car removes half their toolbox of sales tricks.
You got that right.
Now, number 5, how ordering benefits dealers anyway. Make no mistake here, friends, dealers still win when you order, and here's how. Allocation boost, that sale counts towards future shipments. The more they sell, even if it's a pre-sold order, the more units they get later. Guaranteed gross, even if the profit is slimmer, it's still profit. Customer locked in. Once you've placed an order, you're emotionally invested. Most buyers won't back out on an order, even if the dealer changes terms slightly. That's why some dealers drag their feet on giving you an out-the-door agreement.
So the bottom line is, the dealer doesn't lose when you order. They just lose the chance to fleece you quite as hard as they could with a vehicle that already sits on the lot. And remember, if you do walk away from an order, you always get your whole payment back. All right, number 6, smart strategies for ordering a car. Let's flip the script here. If you want to order a car, here's how to do it the Homework Guy way. Number 1, always ask for the OTD price in writing. Demand a signed buyer's order that spells out every fee and every line item. Number 2, get financing locked in. Either secure your own loan through a bank or credit union or insist on a written finance agreement from the dealer. Number 3, watch for trade-in traps. If you have a trade, don't commit the trade-in until delivery. Sell it yourself or get an updated written appraisal when your order car arrives. Number 4, check the allocation timeline. Some manufacturers prioritize orders. Others make you wait until the dealer's next allocation slot. Ask the dealer where your order fits in for this. Number 5, be ready to walk. Don't fall for sunk cost thinking. Even if you've waited months, if the dealer plays games on delivery day, you can refuse the car.
A pro tip right here. Ask for the factory order number and then track it yourself online. That keeps the dealer honest and gives you peace of mind. Now, number 7 here, why it still feels like the dealer holds power. Dealers always spin the story. They'll say things like, it's hard to get this car right now, you know. Or, we're pulling some strings for you and using up a few of our favors.
Right.
Or, you should be grateful we're even placing this order. Why do they say this kind of stuff? Because making you feel dependent keeps you pliable. The reality is the opposite. Your order benefits them. Don't ever forget that.
Remember, the dealer's job is to sell you the idea that they're the gatekeeper. The Homework Guy's job is to remind you that you're the customer and you hold the money. And don't forget it. Number 8 is the big picture here. Ordering a car cuts down some of the games, but not all. The dealer still makes money, still gets allocation credit, and still uses tricks to pad their profits. The buyer is actually helping the dealer by eliminating inventory risk and giving them a guaranteed sale.
So the next time you order a car, stand tall. Don't let the dealer act like they're bending over backwards for you. The truth is, you just handed them one of the easiest sales they'll ever make. If you're planning to order a car, remember these tips. Lock in your out-the-door price right away. Don't fall for order fees and never let time pressure you into a bad deal. Ordering a car should be your way of beating the system, not the other way around, and now you know exactly how to do it.
If all this seems a little troublesome for you, our car coaches actually get great deals on ordered cars, and they stick with you through the entire process to the very end. You can visit thehomeworkguy.com and click on the red button for our car buying service. It's no problem for us to help you with an ordered car. We do purchases and leases, new and used cars. Have one of our skilled coaches go to work for you, and they do all the work so you don't have to. If you found this video helpful, remember to give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave a comment below. We love hearing your great stories because they always help our Homework Guy community.
To all of you long-term viewers and subscribers out there, you guys rock. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off on behalf of Alex Stevens, our auto expert, Amazing Elizabeth, our master negotiator, and the entire hassle-free Homework Guy car buying team. Stick with us a moment as we scroll through some of our recent 5-star Google reviews. Thank you for watching.